Hi my wrestlers, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all fabulous. In this video we're going to be doing an interactive video with me. So we're going to be painting an art piece. It's a bit like mindful painting, and we're going to be doing it as we are processing and healing our emotions. There's no right or wrong how we work as we're doing this video, so you can watch it all the way through and then take part in the workshop at the end, or pause the videos you're going through with me. I'm going to be talking how to express yourself and the process of going through, but like I say, it's you are taking the journey, so there is no right and wrong and there is no rules. So please do not think about this too much, just go with the flow and let go, because it's more about expressing yourself onto the canvas or paper or what art form you are using. So for this workshop what you'll need is a paintbrush, canvas and paint. Or you can express yourself different ways as well. You will see I bring in different other equipment into this. What is like, could be random things like, for example, sponges. It's just things that I found that feel a good way to express yourself, and just be random things sometimes that you just want to use within your artwork. There's no right or wrong. So just be free and just see where it takes you. We're going to be working together using mindfulness painting, the same style as what I've done here. It's an area of my work that I am working with a lot at the moment. And I feel it's really fabulous the way you can express yourself, and it gets a lot of energy into the artwork. And it's more about the process rather than the outcome. But sometimes it looks fabulous anyway, but don't get torn up into that kind of thinking it has to look amazing. Same as with these ones here, they're exactly the same. These are more flow art, to be honest, actually. This one was more like expressing how I was putting the paint onto the canvas. By using this process, you hopefully express your feelings and heal yourself in this manner. That is the whole idea of doing this art piece and this workshop, because your brain feels free. You're not thinking about how you're expressing yourself. It's just free flowing. So different emotions might come out whilst you're making this art piece. But that doesn't matter, just let it flow out and let yourself heal. This artwork is just for you. So at the end of the art workshop, you don't have to keep the art piece. You can literally just paint over it again if you want to start again with like a blank canvas. Or if you want to, you can put it up on the wall. It's completely up to you. There's no right or wrong of what you're doing at the end process of this workshop. As you can see, as I'm working, I'm using different brush strokes by how I'm feeling. For example, if you're angry, you would use more fierce brush strokes. If you're feeling more sad or calming, you could even add water to the paint so it flows down the canvas a bit more smoothly. You just express how you want to express. I mean, it'll be more violent if you want certain brush strokes to be more aggressive or smoother and flowing. You can even take it one step further if you feel confident to do so. You can express yourself by how you say certain words when you're expressing onto a canvas to get everything out into the open. It depends how you want to and feel in this present moment that you can do this or not. Sometimes it does help to shout or cry. No one's watching you. It doesn't matter. It's just a way of healing, and that you're able to take this journey. You even can get hands-on with the canvas. You could hug the canvas. You could express with your hands on the canvas. You could even use straws to blow the paint around to get some of that anger out, or just if you feel a calming way as well. Just be free and try out different styles.
Also, the colours you're drawn to and choose will play a part of this journey, due to if you're feeling more happy you might choose brighter colours, if you're feeling a bit more sad or low in yourself you might choose more dark colours. There isn't a right or wrong for this also, just go with what you feel comes to you and flow with it. I did look back on both my artworks that I made and analysed them and worked out why certain colours I used and why certain techniques I used as well, and vented out in this way. So when you finish making your art piece, you could even write onto the canvas if you want to, on how you felt or certain words that you felt, or even the back of the canvas so you don't want to write over your painting, the emotions that came out whilst making this art piece, just to make it a bit more like a kind of diary journal of the journey you took whilst making this art piece. If it comes to you straight away when you see the artwork, then this is not necessary, but some people I know like to write things to refresh how they felt. With me, I'm such a visual person, I can look at things and know how I felt rather than having to write certain words, because words don't always connect to things so much for me. It's more visual. I don't know if that's going back to my dyslexic or what this links to, but everyone works differently. So there isn't a right path to take. It's all about finding what fits you and going on that healing journey and expressing yourself, and hopefully at the end you come out feeling that you vented and let it all out. You can even do it small pieces of paper, it doesn't have to be a massive canvas, it depends what you want to do, and do it like a journal. Like you could do one once a month and express how you feel at that stage in the present of that moment in your life, and then do one each month and then see how it changes and how it develops, and then it brings up points that maybe you need to look at in your life and what things you need to take on board, and think about why you are feeling these emotions and how you can work with these emotions and make your life a better space for yourself. Anyway, I hope you loved this journey we took together, this workshop. Do put in the comment box if there's anything other workshops you want me to do, or if there's any other comments that you would like to make. Or also, if you have done a video of your art piece or a photo of your art piece, do tag me in my social medias. That's razdasthemart. I'm on all media, so from obviously TikTok, Instagram and YouTube. Just tag me and I'll have a look. It's always fabulous to have a look at your art piece that you've made and the process that you've gone on. I'll see you guys soon. Stay magical. Hi my Razzlers, this is a sponsored advert and it is from myself. So razdasthemart, because I feel if you can't sponsor yourself and put your effort into yourself, then who else will? So what I am talking about in this little video is about my t-shirts that I'm doing, what link to my mindfulness art paintings, what I will be selling. I just want to know some feedback on what you think about this idea
and stuff what I'm doing as well. So I'm selling ones that look like this, so they link to all my different artworks. So mindfulness paintings, swirly ones, and it's about like free flowing, mindfulness, and just going with the flow. It's on front and back. As well, I am doing Positive Jars merch as well. So for Positive Jars, I made 1,000 positive different jars, and they've all got like different creatures inside of them, so they're all in different jars, and I think they're just really cute. And I've got one with a heart, and even a pride little rainbow jar as well, or whatever you want it to represent. It doesn't have to be pride, but I always think of rainbow as pride, of course, because that's me. Yeah, so these ones are my positive jars as well. So I've got a merch of my mindfulness paintings, all swirly back and front, and my positive jars what I am selling. As well, I do workshops, so the link is in my bio, on tarot card reading, oracle reading, and I am doing a whole course as well on how I can help you focus on one area in your life that you want a tarot reading, oracle reading, and linking it with my art, using that to create a better life, a better develop yourself and feel whole again. Give some advice. Tarot reading is always cards to advise people to go on the right path and take direction. It's not always telling people to do exactly this, exactly that. It's the way I see it is someone like a best friend giving you advice on how to go or what way to go next. Right, see you guys later.